How to make supermarket standard liquid soap at home. And yes, look at that thickness. This is premium quality. You can confidently sell. Today's video is extra special because it's my mom's birthday. We're adding this beautiful liquid soap to our souvenir package. We are making 3 different colors and fragrances, so stay. At this point, you can add more water. Using the measurement for 25-liter water, you are making 45-liter liquid soap. Hello everyone, if this is your first time coming across my channel, you're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and always come back for more. So before we get started, this is a detailed tutorial, so please grab your writing material or simply save this video so you can come back to it when you are ready to produce yours. Also pay close attention to the screen because I'll be displaying the steps, the chemical, and the exact measurement as we go. So for this very production, we're making use of nitrosol 170 grams. So nitrosol is our main thickener, and our next chemical is sodium lauryl sulfate. This is also known as SLS. It looks like rice. We're making use of 250 grams. It's one of our foaming agents. Next is our sodium sulfate. We're making use of 500 grams. This is a thickening agent. So we are also going to be making use of soda ash 250 grams. It helps with cleaning and stain removal. Our sodium benzoate 20 grams. This is our preservative. Our next chemical is going to be our caustic soda. We're making use of 25 grams. It boosts the cleaning power. And then our texapon 500 grams and our sulfonic acid 1 liter. We're going to be combining these 2 chemicals together. And then we have our foam booster, our glycerin, and our fragrance. Don't forget, we are going to be making use of 3 colors: orange color, purple color, and pink color. Now this measurement I gave you is for 25 liters liquid soap supermarket standard, but I'm going to be producing 45 liters using the same measurement. So from the water I will be using to produce this soap, I'm going to be mixing each of these chemicals and set aside for it to dissolve. So for the SLS, which is the rice, you make sure it dissolves completely. Make sure it dissolves completely that you can't even see the rice. And for your nitrosol, you are not going to dissolve your nitrosol and keep. Your nitrosol is meant to be added directly to your mixing bowl when you are set to start your production. So you're going to be mixing your sulfonic acid and texapon with water. You mix properly so it's easy for you to turn when you add it to your production. Now sulfonic acid is very expensive. I got that 1 liter for 6,500 naira, but guess what, there is another alternative you can use to replace that. If you want me to tell you, just drop it in the comment section. Now we are done mixing all our chemicals and they've all dissolved. Let's get started. Remember I told you don't mix your nitrosol down, you mix it directly to your production bowl. So this is the first chemical you're adding to your production. You're going to turn it properly, and the first set of chemical you will be adding is your cleaning agent. If you don't remember your cleaning agent, please go back to the video and take a note of your cleaning agent. When you add each of these your cleaning agent, you mix properly until it's well combined before you add the next. When you're done adding your cleaning agent, immediately you start adding your foaming agents. You're going to be starting with your SLS and then your mixed texapon and sulfonic acid. Now the work is about to begin. Please, when you add your sulfonic and texapon mix, you turn very well. It's going to be a bit hard, but you have to apply more pressure. You turn very well, so it's completely dissolved and it's turned white, just as you can see. And you go in with your next chemical. At this point, I was adding the foam booster, but one thing you should notice this, because it's called foam booster doesn't mean that it's the reason why your liquid soap lathers so well. Remember, you already added your main foaming agent, which is your SLS, your sulfonic acid, and your Texapon. So the foam booster just assists, but it doesn't really play a major role. Some of my production, I do not add foam booster, and trust me, it's even better. I prefer it more than this. Trust me. So because we are producing 3 different colors, I would have wanted to go with 3 fragrance, but I had only got 1, so I added the fragrance. But for the colors, I had to divide the production into 3. Remember, we have added every necessary chemical that needed to be added to this production. What is left is just the colors, so I divided it into 3 portions and added colors on each. Now that we are done dividing, let's add our colors. So on this, I added the orange color, so feel free to add your desired quantity, but don't make it to be too coloring. So I added just a little orange, because if it dissolves, it's going to come out so nice. At this point, I already finished combining it, so if you add your color, you turn very well, you mix very well to make sure it's fully combined. And on this, I added my pink color, so I'm also going to mix very well. Just keep mixing. When it's fully combined, you would see. So I kept on mixing until it's fully, so as you can see, this is fully combined. Our next is our orange purple color. This happens to be my favorite color, so you just add your desired quantity, but please don't make it too much. Just add little. When you get your desired color, you stop adding, and then you mix properly until it is fully combined, just as you can see. So would you want to know the fragrance I use for this? If you want to know my fragrance, please just drop it on the comment, and I'll be glad to tell you the fragrance I use. Now we are done mixing. All you need to do is to cover for 24 hours. Sometimes it may not be up to 24 hours, but just cover and allow it to fully settle. So now I covered and I left it overnight. By morning, everything is fully dissolved, smooth, and perfectly thick with rich lather. So look at this beauty. This is what we call supermarket standard liquid soap. You can now package it neatly and confidently sell it or gift it. For those that may want to know the amount I got this plastic, I got each of it at the rate of 130 naira. So I got 50 for 6,500, and the total amount I spent in getting the chemicals is 16,300. So if you want to use this as a business, you're really gonna make a good profit, because this is 50 plastics, which is 50,000 naira if you're selling at the rate of 1,000 naira. And look at what we have after packaging that 50 bottles. We still have a lot. I can tell this, what I have remaining can still go for over 50 bottles as well. So if you want to go into this as business, you're going to make good income from this. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also drop your comments. Let me know in the comments if you will be trying this. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye guys. Crystal Star.